do you feel demotivated? If yes, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm gonna give you 5 affirmations that can help you to be motivated and that can make your day productive. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So the first affirmation is that you need to keep on saying to yourself, and that is, I am brave, I'm courageous, I am a massive action taker, I am unstoppable because I'm born to shine and succeed. Number 2 is that you need to keep on saying that I will get success very soon because I am taken care by God and it's just a process of time. Number 3 is that you need to remind yourself, and that is why achieving this goal is so important for me and what kinds of consequences can be happens if I don't achieve this goal. Right? So just try to connect your goal either with your family members or with any incident that happened in your life, right? And that triggers you as well. Number 4 is that you need to keep on saying, and that is, I'm worthy because it exists and it is going to be the reality of my life. Number 5 is that you need to keep on asking that, where do I need to work more and more? Because awareness is the first step to change. So I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day.